Hello YouTube, back with another video. Now, what is this you ask? Well, we're focusing on my two bracket clocks today, as you can see. And as I'm sure you might be aware, both of my bracket clocks have pretty much the exact same chime. Well, tune rather. But in this video, I want your guys' opinions here. Which of these two clocks has a better sounding chime? Because both of the clocks have the same tune of chime, which is pretty much the same tune as my Howard Miller regulator, but they sound a bit different. So in this video, we are going to compare which one sounds better, and I want your guys' opinions down in the comments. So let's go ahead and test these guys out. All right, there we go. So now I'm finished with the chimes on these. So now you need to make your decision. Which of these two sounds better? I mean, I may as well go ahead and say my vote right away. I feel like Howard Miller Graham bracket sounds like way better. The main issue is the movement with the Ridgeway. I'll be looking into it at some point, but for now, this is the current result. So go ahead and leave your vote down in the comments on which one of these you think sounds better. So that'll pretty much conclude this video. So thank you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See y'all later.